once again, I'm being demolished by anybody who fucking hates me. Listen, I got enough hatred for myself. I don't need, I really don't need you guys to add on to the hatred that I already have for myself. I mean, seriously. The other day, I'm a First Amendment activist, and I got on one of these, channels, whatever. I think it was on, like, maybe a Black Label or something like that. And fucking NJ Diver comes on it. I said, hello, how are you? Blah, blah, blah. And NJ Diver, which I think is a woman. Because why would you follow chaos? I mean, I've been done with this woman that's, harassed me for the last, 12 years? And now she's supposedly a First Amendment auditor. No, she's not! What you are is a First Amendment idiot. Alright. See? And this is probably gonna, slap me in the ass. The difference between you slapping me in the ass and her slapping me in the ass is because I might like the way you guys do it. She's a fucking hell on wheels. So, I'm making this because I can't fucking do anything else. Right now, I'm struggling. I'm probably going to have to reboot every fucking thing, dude. Oh, my God. Her and her friend just follow me around. Hey, leave me alone. Because she's mentally challenged. And the thing is, when you're mentally challenged, you focus on one thing and you stick with that. Like, that's your priority. And apparently I am her hated priority. She's been arrested many times. I'm sorry, not arrested. Because they know that she's mentally challenged, and they, they put her in the doctor's office, or what do you call it, hospital, and all that. You can look her up. Her name is Jenn Coombs, and if you look up Jenn Coombs on Google, it will say, mentally challenged woman gets thrown in jail for recording. No, I mean, okay. The reason I started following her because she was legally standing outside of a Monmouth County courthouse recording on a sidewalk and was arrested. I'm sorry, she wasn't arrested. She was put into the hospital. And I fought for her. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I mean, I know this girl from jail. And, I try to contact her and say, hi, it's me, blah, blah, blah. And she turned on me. And I'm like, what in the heck? So, if you Google her name or my name, Jennifer Coombs, that's COOMBS, you'll find, yes, I attacked her at one point after I got fucking attacked by her, and I regret that. I mean, as a person myself that has trouble dealing with society because I think you're all fucking assholes. I shouldn't have attacked her as a journalist, and I can't take that off. I've been asking the website developer to take that story off of the internet, but yeah, if you run her name or my name, it comes up second or third. Either way, it's on the first page of, Google website, Google search, rather. So, I mean, and then she had, other attacks, and then, I'm trying to tell these two gentlemen, I didn't mean to attack her, and then one of them stayed the night at my house for a couple times, and it's a fucked up situation, you know? I mean, like, I never meant to hurt anybody, and all of a sudden, I'm the asshole. How did I become the asshole? So I've been trying to get out of it for a year now. So I get online to another, First Amendment auditor, and I see NJ Diver on there, and I'm like, hey, how you doing? And he or she, it or them, comes on and says, do you know that, Jennifer Coombs is attacking you on Discord? And I'm like, I don't know, dude. I don't care. Dude, bitch, whoever the fuck you are. I don't know, and I don't care. But now, like, a couple days, like, I don't know, like, a week or two later, now I'm like, wait a second, is that the bitch that keeps fucking with me? Jennifer Coombs? It is! So, I don't know how to address the situation. I know where she lives. I know exactly where she lives. Yep, big old burp. So I'm thinking about, like, maybe, going over her house and talking to her and, maybe resolving this situation. So, in the next couple weeks, she might see me putting on a video, just going to her house, because I know where she lives. She's on housing, and she lives in this very, very small house in Asbury Park. It's like, it's Neptune, I guess. And, confronting her and saying, what's going on? Why do you still hate me after all these fucking years, man? Alright, I'm out. I love you all. Talk to you soon.